Hello guys, I'm back in a new video and today I'm gonna teach you some nunchaku tricks. And now let us start with the first trick. Just hold the nunchaku in your right hand, just like this. And then take it near your body, take one end of nunchaku near your body and just start swinging. Swing, swing, swing. And a fast swing. Then again swing, 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 a fast swing. So this was the first step. Now try to do it after practicing some time. Try to do it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second step is, in this step also you have to hold the nunchaku in your right hand only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now try to do the first and second step together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we will learn how to spin the nunchaku. Here also you have to hold the nunchaku in your right hand but in this position as you can see, and then swing the nunchaku again and don't close your fist completely. See, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and then leave one of the end. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 and leave one of the end. So when you practice this one, try to spin it faster, and when you will spin it faster, no need to take it near your thumb, just directly. Now we will do these 3 steps together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After 10th step, you have to hold the nunchaku in your right hand and then take it, keep your left hand the lower part at the lower part of your back and just to practice this move. And then finally 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will learn the most difficult spin. That's the forward spin. It's just same like the normal spin, but it's a little bit difficult, so you have to be careful for that one. This one. So now we will do all the 5 steps together. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is the end of this video. Meet you in my next video and please subscribe. Bye.